Amazon Web Services' leading threat detection service, GuardDuty, has recently announced 3 new features to provide an even stronger security for customers using the cloud service. The 3 significant new features are EKS runtime monitoring, GuardDuty RDS protection, and GuardDuty Lambda protection, drastically increasing coverage and improving machine learning, anomaly detection, and integrated threat intelligence. The new features are available to all current GuardDuty users completely free of charge and are designed to additional protect containerized workloads, data stored in Amazon Aurora databases, and serverless applications. All the features can be enabled from the AWS Management Console. Since 2017, GuardDuty has significantly grown in value with the introduction of over 100 new threat detection capabilities, such as the new ability to detect credential exfiltration and compromise. These new features built on this and expand security detection to the areas customers are saying they need the most. The shift to cloud storage, as well as the advancements in technology, are not without many challenges. With a rising number of threats, there is an ever-growing need for IT security pros to protect the premises. Such threats range from web server instances with malware, to cryptocurrency miners and data exfiltration techniques. There are a variety of different cloud storage options out there that could potentially provide excellent protection against the types of security threats wearers face today. With the new features of GuardDuty, however, users of Amazon Web Services may feel they have an extra layer of protection and security as they utilize the product. In the end, it is hard to determine what the best option for cloud storage is in the current market. Depending on one's specific needs and usage, different cloud services may have the features you're looking for. Fortunately, for those who are using Amazon Web Services and GuardDuty, the recent addition to the product is sure to provide an extra layer of protection and peace of mind when it comes to security.